Welcome to the ZTTFIBER channel. Today we are introducing two fiber optic fast connector. The original Fujikura FAST Connector utilized an outward mechanical splice clamping mechanism with an internal screw rod design. This ensures quick, secured, and reliable installation. Its slidable blue tail slides allow for easy fiber insertions and precise alignment, significantly enhancing tensile strength. This connector is ideal for high-demand projects requiring exceptional durability and long-term stability. If cost-effectiveness is your priority, we recommend this fast connector, inspired by the same design principle. It also features a slidable tail track to ensure secure fiber retentions and excellent tensile strength. Whether for fiber-to-the-home deployment, enterprise network, or outdoor installations, this connector delivers outstanding performance while providing greater wealth. It's the ideal choice for efficient and reliable fiber optic connections. Contact us for more details.